You may wonder, how is WWOOF different from similar organizations? Well, for starters, WWOOF is not a large corporation. We are a nonprofit consisting of many decentralized WWOOF groups with diverse structures. And every couple of years, the WWOOF coordinators meet to discuss how they can strengthen and help the movement grow democratically.
With organic farmers and growers, promoting an educational exchange and building a global community conscious of ecological farming practices.
This past fall, 19 WWOOF organizations met in Canada with a common goal: to unite, promote, protect, and support the WWOOF movement around the world.
Embracing the idea that WWOOF is about learning in many different ways, and how can we do that?
We talked to a number of folks from various WWOOF groups, each of them with a shared passion for building a global community centered around ecological farming and sustainability practices.
If I go to a WWOOF Italy meeting, I will feel that I'm in family. And then I come to an international meeting and this is the same feeling. I mean, I'm just among people that are like me, and I really feel very, very connected to WWOOFy people.
Throughout the meeting, we exchanged about how we can enhance our sense of community, our 2030 vision, and much more.
Since the first time I heard of WWOOF, I had this feeling that, oh, this is something that actually can change the world, and more every day I'm sure about it. I'm more and more sure about it. So now leaving this place is like, we can damn change the world, yes, for sure, and we are doing it.
If you're curious to learn more, you too can get involved beyond going WWOOFing. Reach out to your local association to learn more about involvement as a community volunteer member, or keep your eye out for workshops and member meetings. Let's all come together for a more sustainable and green future.